In this video, we're going to show you how to assign a driver to a trip. Let's dive in. First, head over to your booking summary on the dashboard. Look for the reserved trips and find the unassigned ones. You'll see an option to assign. Click on it. A pop-up will appear with the option to assign driver. Click on Select Driver, and a drop-down menu will show you the available drivers. You can choose from owner drivers, fleet drivers, and subcontractor drivers. Each category will list the names of available drivers. Select the driver you want and then choose the type of vehicle you need for the trip. Next, check the boxes for Send Job Docket to Driver and include passenger phone number if you want to send these details. Finally, click Assign. This will send all the trip information to the driver you've selected. If you need to, you can change the driver type and vehicle anytime before assigning. Now, let's talk about the option to bid or share the job. This allows interested drivers to accept the job without assigning it to a specific person. Click on the Bid Share option. A pop-up will appear asking you to select how to bid the job. You can choose from fleet, owner, shared platform, and more. Then select the service level, VVIP, VIP, or standard. Once you've made your selections, click Bid. This will show you the drivers available for those options, allowing them to bid for the job. And that's how you assign a driver or bid share a job in Logistifie. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.